Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Wagner Paint Sprayer is probably one of the most popular paint sprayers on the market, offering a balance of performance, ease of use, and affordability that makes it a great choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professional painters. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes this sprayer stand out, exploring its features, performance in different applications, and ultimately, whether it's the right tool for your next painting project. We will cover everything from setup and cleaning to tackling various surfaces and paint types, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of this versatile tool. Number 5. Wagner FLEXiO 595 Sprayer. It delivers a professional-looking finish on various surfaces, from furniture to walls, making your DIY projects look amazing. Its versatility makes it perfect for any home improvement task. It comes with two nozzles, one for large areas like walls and ceilings, and another for smaller, detailed work such as cabinets or trim. You're ready for any project, big or small. This sprayer works incredibly fast, finishing an 8x10 wall in just 5 minutes. Say goodbye to tedious brushing and hello to efficient painting. It offers complete control with 9 speed settings, adjustable paint flow, and spray width. You can customize it to match your project's needs perfectly. It's designed to be lightweight and easy to handle, making even large projects less tiring. Plus, the bonus cup liner makes cleanup a breeze. What we like. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for various projects. Its versatility shines through with different nozzles for various tasks. If you value speed and efficiency, this is the one for you. What people say. I've used lesser quality HVLP sprayers before with mixed results. I have a cheapy Graco factory refurb and a new DSP 360 and use them for several projects, but now they both leak or won't spray correctly. Rather than drop a king's ransom on an Erlex or Fuji HVLP, I decided to give the FLEXiO 5000 a try, as the reviews seem to be favorable. Cleanup is a breeze, and I do suggest the purchase of the cleaning brush set. I got the 22-piece set and it took me only a few minutes to clean up the gun and paint container. I did a full cleaning since it would be over an hour before I can continue spraying. I was excited to write this review after several months of use because if you are like me, you are hesitant in purchasing this unit for fear or undesired results or cleanup hassle. I will say this, I would only recommend using water-based paint, primer, and poly in this unit. Oil-based requires too much time in cleanup. This sprayer is awesome. I have used it to prime, paint, and poly finish my custom-built cabinets. I can achieve a professional finish with this gun. Number 4. Wagner Control Pro 130. Tired of slow, messy painting? This sprayer applies coatings 3 times faster than a roller, saving you valuable time and effort. It produces up to 55% less overspray than traditional airless sprayers. That means less cleanup and less wasted paint. It works with a wide range of unthinned paints and stains for both interior and exterior projects. From painting your home to staining a deck, it handles it all. The gravity-fed system makes priming and cleaning quick and easy, minimizing mess and maximizing efficiency. It holds up to 1.5 gallons of paint and has a 25-foot hose, so you can tackle large projects without constant refills or interruptions. Upgrade your painting experience with the Wagner Control Pro 130. It's the perfect solution for all your painting needs. What we like. This one boasts high efficiency, significantly reducing overspray and saving you paint. Its large capacity means fewer refills for bigger jobs. If minimizing cleanup and maximizing coverage is your priority, choose this powerhouse. What people say. The job consisted of 31 cabinet doors, including large pantry doors, and 13 drawer fronts. My desire was to achieve the smooth orange peel-like finish you can only get from a sprayer. In the end my results are near professional level and I actually enjoyed using the sprayer. This sprayer can lay a lot of paint down and do it fast. Number 3. Wagner Control Pro 150. Get ready to experience professional-grade painting with the Wagner Control Pro 150. It's 3 times faster than using a roller, saving you valuable time and effort. This sprayer features high-efficiency airless technology, reducing overspray by up to 55%. Enjoy a smoother, more consistent finish with less mess. It boasts a max operating pressure of 1,500 psi and can handle up to 175 gallons per year. With a 25-foot hose, it easily reaches all areas of your project. The durable spray gun is equipped with a powerful 0.55 horsepower HEA pump, capable of spraying unthinned materials for a flawless finish. This sprayer features a rebuildable fluid section, maximizing its lifespan. It's backed by the industry's best and longest warranty, giving you peace of mind. From painting your home's exterior to staining a large deck, it handles any project with ease and precision. Upgrade your painting experience today. What we like. This model is incredibly powerful and built to last. The high pressure ensures a professional finish. If you need a heavy-duty sprayer for large-scale projects, this is your best bet. What people say. The job consisted of 31 cabinet doors, including large pantry doors, and 13 drawer fronts. My desire was to achieve the smooth orange peel-like finish you can only get from a sprayer. In the end, my results are near professional level and I actually enjoyed using the sprayer. This sprayer can lay a lot of paint down and do it fast. Number 2. Wagner 0529013 Detail Finish Kit. This kit helps you achieve a professional-looking finish on your projects. It's designed for ease of use and precision. Get a smooth finish without brush marks. It's perfect for detailed work on furniture, cabinets, and trim. It's compatible with a wide range of Wagner HVLP sprayers, making it a versatile addition to your tool collection. Check for compatibility with your specific model. Use it with various materials, including paints, stains, and sealers. You may need to thin thicker materials for optimal results. It offers adjustable flow control and 3 spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and round, for precision and control. Adapt it to your project's needs. The lock-and-go technology makes changing front ends quick and easy. Cleanup is also a breeze. The sprayer is sold separately. What we like. This nozzle attachment delivers an incredibly fine finish, ideal for detailed work. It's easy to use and clean, making it perfect for smaller projects. If you prioritize precision and a flawless finish on furniture or trim, this is a must-have. What people say. The storage tote is a high-quality hardened ABS plastic, so it ensures that they built it for the long haul. Dual spraying angle allows for maximum coverage in hard areas with tip flow control, so it doesn't allow buildup on the end, and the spray flow control dial makes it optical for painting big areas with little paint. And you can use for multi-materials, such as with stains, paint strippers, varnish removers, even thick rubber coating sealants for roof or foundations. With that as a disclaimer, I have thoroughly enjoyed the detail nozzle and will even say it's a significantly more reliable nozzle than the Esprit. The detail nozzle carried me through hours of painting, probably 10 coats collectively, without fail, and the entire project turned out extremely well. The detail nozzle was plenty broad to have coverage on 6-inch shiplap planks on a single wall. This nozzle is a great improvement. Easier to set up, use and then clean. I recommend cleaning it with Murphy's oil soap, makes it a lot easier and it is very effective, also no fumes compared to paint thinner or acetone. Number 1. Wagner Control Spray 250 HVLP. This HVLP sprayer is perfect for small to medium-sized projects. It delivers a smooth, even finish, saving you time and effort. It handles stains, lacquers, and some paints with ease. Achieve professional-looking results on various surfaces. It's incredibly efficient. You can cover an 8-foot by 10-foot area in under 2 minutes. Easily control the material flow with the adjustable trigger. Customize it to your project's needs. Choose from horizontal, vertical, or narrow round patterns. It adapts to any shape or surface. It's versatile enough for furniture, trim, fences, and more. Take on any project with confidence. What we like. This sprayer is incredibly fast, perfect for staining projects. It provides a smooth, even finish with adjustable settings for ultimate control. If you need a quick and efficient way to stain furniture or fences, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It was listed as for use with small jobs, so I was worried a little because this was definitely a big job, but it did great. What would normally take weeks took a couple of days with this wonderful sprayer. I could cover a relatively large area, 200 square feet or so, quite well with a quart of paint that it takes at a time. Cuts the time and effort then using a brush. Easy setup, easy use and easy cleanup. Spray adjustments for width and volume of flow are helpful. This is a great tool to make a big job quick and precise. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.